So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control set. Now you want to expand control. And now that we've expanded control, you now want to right click on control. You want to right click on this and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key storage device policies. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, with the same spelling, and then click on enter. And then once you're on this, for the next step, you just want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this write protect. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And now we're going to double click on write protect. Make sure that in this box right here you have the number 0. So value data in this box right here, have the number 0 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.